Hi everyone. So if you're excited to join our social hour this Saturday, first off, click the link provided. It will most probably bring you to your Google Chrome, or you can paste the link here in any of your default browsers. Wait for it to buffer. And it will bring you to gathertown. You will have a default character to start with, but you can change and customize your characters in any way that you like. Clothing designs, and accessories. Click the next step once you're done customizing, put in a name, and press finish. Here you'll be brought to the screen. Press allow to have your microphone on. If you are already in Zoom, hi everyone. If you're already in Zoom, log off of Zoom before joining this area. You will see your integrated camera being displayed. Try out the various microphones to select which microphones indicate this fluctuation here, as well as your default speakers. Once you're ready to go, join gathertown. It will bring you to a tutorial. You may try it out yourself, and on that day, please skip tutorial right away. You'll be brought to our main event. Please meet our facilitators, our seniors, as well as the MBA Center. Hope to see you there. Bye bye.